There's a reason we made a video about a month ago saying that we are not worried about what happens with the Ripple case. Once the judge said, hey, Ripple is fine, it's not a security. There's a reason for that. I'm gonna go over that. But first, like and subscribe. I'm gonna get right into this. Okay, so AP Abagus. Follow him on Twitter, he's a great guy. He says, as per Ripple case and SEC appeal, expected and goes to bifurcation with regards to crypto moving forward. Gensler will continue to attack anything that isn't Bitcoin or ETH and do so vigorously. As you know, the SEC wants to now appeal the judge's ruling on Ripple. Is that a big deal or not? So it took 2.5 years from when the SEC first filed against Ripple to the judge's outcome of not being a security. And it took $200 million of taxpayer money, right? Because the SEC lost and Ripple won. So the SEC had to pay all the court fees and everything, which was $200 million of taxpayer money. And now they're wanting to do that again. So the SEC is trying to appeal, but they are doing it so early that they need to apply for a special type of appeal that needs a judge's granting, right? And they might not even get it. This is what a lot of people aren't even saying. I rarely see anybody saying this about Ripple right now. This is the facts. And by the time that this proceeding, if it does get granted by the judge, happens, we're gonna have a bull market and nobody's gonna give a crap about what is happening with Ripple when the bull market is going. Not only that, but it's gonna take probably another 2.5 years for another ruling, right? And not only that, it's going to be a jury trial now. It's not going to be just one judge. It's going to be an entire jury of 12. And they are going to decide whether or not Ripple is a security, which is crazy. Imagine them getting a crash course on cryptocurrency. Boy, those 12 people are in for a ride. Now, I'm not worried about it, and neither is the market. As you can see, the market didn't tank on that news, right? We're still at 29,500 right now, and I'm not worried about it at all. Plus our alts. If you are our CT Club member, you're noticing our micro caps that we've been getting into are absolutely killing it. We took profits yesterday on a couple coins. And yeah, it's beautiful. What a bull market. It's a bull market for us. I don't know about you guys, but it is a bull market for us. Just not Bitcoin yet. And you know who else is pretty bullish on Bitcoin? The Carlyle Group are a group of massive, they are the club essentially, with $385 billion of assets under management. And they have been around for a very, very long time. And when they hear, here's what they said. The mighty BlackRock is willing to have an ETF in Bitcoin. Maybe Bitcoin is going to be around for a while. That's really big news. This is bigger than, say, Saylor or some presidential candidate saying, yeah, Bitcoin's cool. No, this is the club. Like these are the big guys, right? These guys control nations essentially. They are part of that, okay? And so now you also have private equity billionaire David Rubenstein saying, I don't think Bitcoin is going away. So it's really interesting to see all of these people getting involved on the Bitcoin train. And I got more stuff here. You have banks now that are doing this as well. You have Sophie Bank with 6.2 million customers revealing $82 million of Bitcoin holdings in their Q2 earnings report. Yeah, banks are buying. Yes, because why is that? Because we have BlackRock. BlackRock is literally given the green light for pretty much everyone, every rich thing in the world to go ahead and buy Bitcoin. And let's go over to Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock. And remember, he said it is a money laundering tool a couple years ago. Well, now he says on 2 separate occasions is saying that Bitcoin is better than gold. I'd have to agree with him on that Bitcoin is better than gold. Not just to pick on the gold crowd, but it's verifiable. Bitcoin is verifiable. We know exactly how much Bitcoin is in the entire globe. Supply is not affected by demand at all. If the price rises, doesn't matter. You can't mine more Bitcoin other than what the hash rate is going to give you. So you can't just go somewhere and print up a bunch of Bitcoin. Ain't going to happen like you can with gold. So with that said, please like and subscribe and check us down below for our CT Club. I will talk to you soon. Bye.